My dear students, in the previous chapter you have learnt about globe, types of maps, essential components of a map, how to read a map. We can read a map with the help of a scale, grid, legend or key, symbols, etc. Right? Okay students, before we start with the new chapter, I am going to recite a poem. Let's begin.
रानी बिटिया चली घूमने दिल्ली से आगे बढ़, चलते 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 पहुंच गई चंडीगढ़। भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर। कम ऑन स्टूडेंट, सिंग अलोंग विथ मी। रानी बिटिया चली घूमने दिल्ली से आगे बढ़, चलते 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 पहुंच गई चंडीगढ़। भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर। चंडीगढ़ से जयपुर पहुंची, जयपुर से रामेश्वर, रामेश्वर से चलते चलते लौट चली आई घर। भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर। माँ ने पूछा रानी बिटिया कहाँ गई थी बाहर, बिटिया बोली कहीं नहीं माँ मैं थी घर के अंदर। घर के अंदर रानी बिटिया ऐसा झूठ सरासर, झूठ नहीं माँ सच कहती हूँ भारत है मेरा घर। भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर, भारत मेरा घर।
So students, I am sure you all must have enjoyed the poem. In the poem you have seen that Rani visited different cities and she said to her mother that Bharat mera ghar. Okay, now I am going to ask you a few questions.
Name the cities Rani visited in the poem. Come on everyone, think and say. Yes, Rani visited Delhi, Chandigarh, Jaipur and Rameshwar. Very good. Okay, now tell me, are these cities situated in our country? Yes, these cities are situated in our country. Have you ever visited any place mentioned in the poem? Some students must have visited these places, right?
Bharat mera ghar. So students, I am going to start with the new chapter, My India. Let's start.
Ananya was a member of the school junior choir. Choir means an organized group of singers. The choir was going to sing Sare Jahan Se Acha for Independence Day celebrations. One day, Ananya was going to school with her friend Krishna. Krishna turned towards her and asked, "Do you know the importance of this song which you are practicing these days?" Ananya replied, "The song talks about the various physical divisions of India, like the mighty mountains and rivers. Our country is unique and very special." "India is truly unique," agreed Krishna. He asked Ananya, "Don't the tall mountains stand like a guard protecting our country in the north? I also like the shape of our country. I think it looks like a person who is standing with his or her arms outstretched." Ananya began to think what Krishna had said about the shape of our country. Location of India.
India is the seventh largest country in the world. It is located in the continent of Asia. India shares its boundaries with 8 countries. These countries are India's neighbors. In the northwest, India's neighbors are Afghanistan and Pakistan, China, Nepal, and Bhutan are India's neighbors in the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are India's neighbors in the east. Sri Lanka is India's neighbor in the south. India is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Since our country is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides, it is called a peninsula. Let us recall what we just learned. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Since our country is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides, it is called a peninsula. India shares its boundaries with 8 countries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka are India's neighbors. So students, I hope that you all have enjoyed today's session. We'll meet in next session with more interesting and new topics.